Cat. This is a cat. Cats are soft and love to play. Dog. This is a dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly. Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephants are very big animals. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits are quiet and love carrots. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguins waddle and swim fast. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos hop with strong legs. Bear. This is a bear. Bears are big and strong. Cow. This is a cow. Cows give us milk. Bears are big and strong. Tiger. This is a tiger. Tigers are strong hunters. Langur. This is a langur. Langurs jump from tree to tree. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks love to swim in water. Angelfish. This is an angelfish. It is a colorful fish in the ocean. Lion. This is a lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle. Alligator. This is an alligator. Alligators live in rivers and swamps. Horse. This is a horse. Horses run very fast. Goat. This is a goat. Goats love to eat grass. Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool. Deer. This is a deer. Deer run quickly in forests. Pig. This is a pig. Pigs like to roll in mud. Hen. This is a hen. Hens lay eggs. Zebra. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacocks spread colorful feathers. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkeys love to swing on trees. Wolf. This is a wolf. Wolves live and hunt in groups. Panda. This is a panda. Pandas love to eat bamboo. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart swimmers. Camel. This is a camel. Camels are called the ship of the desert. Rooster. This is a rooster. Roosters wake us up in the morning. Fox. This is a fox. Foxes are clever animals. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are strong farm animals. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings. Yak. This is a yak. Yaks live in cold mountains. Owl. This is an owl. Owls can see in the dark. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots can copy our words. Quail. This is a quail. Quails are small ground birds. Frog. This is a frog. Frogs can live on land and in water. Bat. This is a bat. Bats fly at night. Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkeys are strong animals.